Notcoin just got launched and a lot of people made money by just tapping. Well, except for me, who didn't take it seriously. And since Tapswap is coming as a second chance, I decided not to miss out on it this time, which is why I built this tapbot to level up my tapping. Not only does it save me the stress of tapping, it is also easy to disassemble for easy transportation and be reassembled when you want to use it. Plus, it makes use of simple batteries which are easy to replace. Now, before I show you how to build it, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please take out your time to do so.
Nice.
We aim to reach 10,000 subscribers before 2025. Thank you for the support. Now let's start building it. If you're interested in other projects like this Tapswap, here are some with a promising future, like this Hamster Kombat, Hot, and even this simple tap. If you would like to get started on any of them, there are links to join in the description. Do try this project tapbot yourself and share your results in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.